Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP. As in my earlier video that I was showing you that recently SLP has broken out a quite long-term descending triangle on a weekly time frame chart, and this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now if you take a look at the live chart, and this is a 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout we had a nice pump, but the pricing got rejected by this very long-term resistance of $0.006. That was previously breaking at the resistance here, and before that, it was breaking at the resistance here, and support here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for GRT, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP, and this is a weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that since after the month of October 2023, it was moving inside this very big and long term descending triangle. You can see that we found the support here, then we got rejection here, bounce, another bounce here, several touch points here we had. Then we had another rejection here, and then finally after this rejection, the price then broke out the resistance of the triangle. And immediately after breaking out this triangle, we also broke out this very long-term resistance of $0.004 as well. That was previously working as a very strong resistance here and resistance here. For several months, it has been working as a very, very strong resistance, and now it is flipped into a support. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line got rejected by the next long-term resistance of $0.006 and retested this previous resistance of $0.004 as a support, and now it is geared up. And now we need to break out the next long-term resistance of $0.006 that was previously working as a resistance here, and before that, it was also breaking this $0.006 was breaking at the resistance here and resistance here as well. And after breaking out this resistance, it can imminently move up the next resistance zone that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That was previously working as a resistance zone here. And before that, it was working as a support zone here as well. If you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this triangle, that target can be, by the way, here, slightly higher than this resistance zone, approximately at 1.17 cents. And here on this 7 day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout, price and could not break out this long-term resistance that I was showing you a few moments ago. It starts from $0.0085 and goes to 0.1 cents. And you can see that the pricing got rejected here. And now again, after breaking out this resistance of the triangle, the pricing is moving towards this resistance line. And previously it was working as a support line here. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.